Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Today, I'm going to share my personal strategy, especially what happened lately. Sold some of my ADA tokens and bought the other altcoins. Let's dig in. Bitcoin slides below 88k. Analysts say Trump's Bitcoin reserve less bullish than anticipated. Bitcoin fell sharply after Trump signed an executive order to set up a strategic Bitcoin reserve with forfeited assets. This reflects a sell the news type of trading activity. Was it? According to David Sachs, Trump signed an executive order on Thursday to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve and a U.S. digital asset stockpile. The reserve will be capitalized with Bitcoin owned by the federal government that was forfeited as part of criminal or civil asset forfeiture proceedings, which means no additional buy from the US by the US government for now. That was why the market was somewhat disappointed. David Sachs noted that the US will not sell any Bitcoin deposited into the reserve. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent and Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick are also authorized to develop budget-neutral strategies for acquiring additional Bitcoin. What that is. It can be from forfeitures or from the criminals or sell gold and buy Bitcoin. For sure, nobody knows what that is for now. Let's wait and see. As a result, XRP, Doge, ADA slumped 9% as Trump douses bullish crypto reserve hopes. Traders were disappointed the crypto reserve plans won't add any buying pressure to the market, at least in the near term, with few catalysts to buoy the market. Please be reminded, Bitcoin is for storing digital value, whereas altcoins were created to be used in AI, real world assets, payments, global remittances, whatsoever. The purpose of these coins different. Bitcoin Reserve, however, I firmly believe this was the biggest ever decision in the crypto history. It is more bigger than Bitcoin's spot ETF approval. You will see what this means as time goes by. For sure, this cycle, Bitcoin can go double, triple, whereas altcoins can go 5x, even 10x this cycle by the end of this year or by Q1 next year. That was why I sold some of my Cardano early this week and bought some other altcoins. Before that, Crypto Fear and Greed Index is 34. We are in fear phase, and this represents the Bitcoin index. We are in fear phase, whereas CoinMarketCap Altcoin Season Index represents 14. 14 tells us that nobody wants to buy altcoins right now. So that was why I bought a lot lately. Well, first of all, make no mistake, I still firmly believe that Cardano has huge potential to go much higher from now. The primary reason of selling ADA was to buy other altcoins, especially the ones of which market cap was less than that of ADA, such as Avalanche, Shiba Inu, Near Protocol, Internet Computer, Ondo Finance, Polygon, Immutable X, and Sai. My plan is to sell 90 or even 95% of those old altcoins by the end of this year or Q1 next year. Make no mistake, I also believe the best strategy in crypto investment is to buy hundreds of Bitcoin and wait for 5+ years. This is the best ever strategy. If you can buy dozens of Bitcoin now, right now, you don't need to do anything rather than except buying Bitcoin at current price and wait for 5, 6, 7, 10 years. That's it. However, if we don't have such money, I think we cannot help but to do cycle play rather than day trading or wait for 10+ years, but with less seed money to invest. I think you cannot get a huge return on that. So it's a reminder. Also, Bitcoin dominance is above 61. I still believe that's why I still believe a bigger opportunity lies in altcoins rather than Bitcoin now. Before that, do your own research. Only invest in assets you know the most and you can afford to lose, just the amount that you can afford to lose. Because when conviction meets cycle play, you can increase your chances of winning this battle. Thank you for listening.